Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard with a quick tip. Just recently, I was wrapping all of my Christmas presents and I needed lots and lots of tags. And imagine having to, I put this one down and then I have to put this one down. I needed a lot. Keep in mind, I needed a lot. And then I put this one down and then I'll get this one and I put this one down and then I put this one down and I have to arrange them and then I have to die cut them. And then I need a lot, so I have to push these all down again so I can run it through again and die cut it. Well, check this out. Instead of placing them all down each time, what you're going to want to do is you're going to lay this down, lay this one down right next to it, lay this one down right next to it, and this one any way you want. Doesn't matter how you really line these up, right there. And we're going to do this one right like that, just like that. So they're all touching. Then we're going to get some washi tape, okay? So we're going to get this washi tape. And we are literally going to tape them all together. Now, we're not necessarily taping it to our paper. We're focusing on taping the dies together. Okay, so we're just going to add that. We're not taping it to the paper. We're just adding it to the dies are getting taped together. And you really want to make sure you get, a couple good ones on there. And let's add that one right there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to flip this over, because now it's going to be one piece, right? It's one die. We're going to flip it over, and any extra, you can tear off the washi, or if you're like me and you just want to, I love the smell of baby powder, so I could just do this all day. So, and then I'm going to rub this on there. Maybe not necessarily with paper underneath you, but baby powder just smells so good. Okay, then check this out. Woo, don't do that. But now I have a template. I can lay that down, run it through. Then I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to lay it down again and I'm going to run it through. Now I'm not placing each die over and over and over again. Look at this. I'm going to run it through just like that. So if I want blue tags, I'm going to run my blue tags through. And that was a little bit of a speed bump. We're going to run that one through, and look at this. I have all my fun tags. And then I can just pick up this die and run some more through, run some more through, and run some more through. I don't have to keep laying those dies down, and it saves you a ton of time. Now, if you know you're going to be making a lot of tags for a long time, I would just put them back in the envelope just like this, so you can just keep running them through, and you're not putting all of those down and everything like that. Isn't that fantastic? Another quick tip by Stephanie Bernard, and you know what? This one I really use. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.